Hi, I am Wenjie. In this video, we are going to draw a bar chart according to the table of a research article and then generate the script to orally present this bar chart to your audience. Last time, we extract data from the table 2 of a research article. This time, I want to draw a bar chart with error bar using the data of visual analog scale at rest. So my prompt is So here is my prompt. The X-stick level. Use baseline and the fifth day. Same timing. And then plot different groups, KT and control together. So this figure will emphasize between group comparison at baseline and at fifth day, respectively. The Y level would be visual analog scale at rest, and the display range 0 to 10. The figure legend would be KT group and control group. And the bar color would be red for the KT group and green for the control group. So let's go. So I have the Python code to draw the bar chart. Then I will open Google Colab to run the code. I copy the code, paste, and execute. But there are a few problems. First, the bars for two groups, they are overlapping together. I want they to be separate so I can look at both groups at the same time. Second, the text are a little bit too small. So I will ask Claude 2 to modify. So I ask Claude 2 to rearrange the bars and enlarge the font size. Okay, we copy the code, replace the code, and let's see how it goes. It's much better. Much better. First, the bars, they are not overlapped, so I can see the result of KT group and control group at the same time. And the font sizes, the size of the text are bigger, so it's easier to read. We can see very clear at the beginning. The level of pen is very high, and at the end, the level of pen decreased, especially in the KT group. So the KT group is doing better than the control. And finally, we have to generate the text, the script, to orally present this bar chart. So my prompt is So this time I ask Claude 2 to give me a script to orally present this bar chart. The first step, describe what the chart is in one sentence. The second step, describe x-axis, y-axis, and the figure legend. And third step, making statistical comparison. According to the article, in the following order. So let's go. Okay, it's done, but a little bit too long. So make your script shorter. So this script describes the bar chart is vs pen score at rest first, and then describes x-axis, y-axis, and the red bar, green bar. Finally, make statistical comparisons and give me a summary. So this is how you draw a figure according to the research data from article, and then generate the script to orally present your figure to your audience. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.